Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to hide contacts on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you didn't find any option like hide contents on Messenger, so let me show you how you can do it. Go to your iPhone settings and then scroll all the way up and you will see apps. Click on that and then search over here Messenger and click on Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and then you will see this option over here, a bunch of options over here. You will see this second option called contacts. Click on that and then you have to do is click on the top one option that you will see none. So you have to do is click on that and then it's gonna be hide from the content or contacts on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.